Okay, we are here today at the Embassy Suites in Sandestin. Southerns are staying here for a couple of days. Gonna do a quick tour and walk and review. We've had a good stay here. The beach is right across the way. I'll show you later in the video how we get there. Here this shows us our flags for today. Purple and yellow, caution, and they're worried about sharks. Got a little pantry. Yeah, that you can get. They also sell little miniatures here. Oh, there's Redfish Rentals. Let me get that. This is where you rent your umbrellas and chairs. This is where you check in. We got our, they do let you check out pool towels that you can take to the beach. You return them right here. This is kind of a little bit of an older embassy, but it's nice, very nice. I would say super nice. It's the inside lobby. Up ahead is where they have the reception from 5:30 to 7. Every adult gets 2 free drinks, and they have some snacks. Oh, might be able to zoom in on the drink menu. There we go. I'll try to hold that still for a minute. Okay. It was nice last night. Real chill. They had a magic act. They had a magician do a little show right out here in the lobby. And they do that. They have little things. Little shows and stuff for the kids. Very family friendly. We enjoyed it. Let's check out this is the fitness center. This is the fitness center. And I'm not going to really go in there because somebody's using it right now, but it's a very small one. They've got some machines. They've got some free weights that you can use. This is the way you get to the pool. Pool open from 8 to 10. It's kind of a small, rectangular shaped pool. Have bathrooms out here, that's good. Have a little hot tub. All right, that's our pool area. Honestly, we have not used it. There's nothing wrong with it. Just that we have spent our time at the beach. Navigating this while you're holding a camera is not easy. Let's see. It's right next door to an Alvin's Island. I think we're gonna go check that out later. There's some outlet shopping malls just a couple miles away. We might go there. A lot of people down here rent golf carts and get around via golf cart. I think it's about $100 a day for a golf cart with some places. Pretty cool. Okay, we're back in the lobby now. There's really not a whole lot to show. We are staying on the 3rd floor. 2nd floor, actually. And there are 4 floors. This is not a huge hotel, but pretty good. Cons, I would say, is there's no balcony rooms, there's no beach view. You have to walk across the street to get to the beach. Pros are you get a free included breakfast, get some free drinks and snacks at night. It's not that big of a deal, but getting a free breakfast actually is. The last hotel resort where we stayed this week, Breakfast was $33 a person. So that is a nice amenity. I'm gonna close it out right here. Actually, we're gonna have some more video we're gonna add to this where you'll see the beach and breakfast and some of the other stuff right here at Miramar Beach. So hang on. If you haven't already, please like this video and hit that subscribe button down on the right hand corner. Okay, here we are, Southern Cruisers. We're staying at the Embassy, right, Angela?
Yep.
Where are we going?
We're going over to the beach from the, can you show a picture here? The entrance. You can see from the lobby.
Yep. This is how you get to the beach from the Embassy.
Embassy of Miramar Beach.
Embassy Miramar Beach, yeah. So this is a weird thing. The place where you wash off your feet and shower off, the beach shower is right here.
Yep, there's not another one between here and the beach.
Right.
So when you get back, you can hose off before you go into the hotel. Just as a side note, the hotel has, there's no carpet. So it's just a little piece in there that I like.
Oh, there's the surf hut across the street. We're gonna visit that tonight. We'll probably do a little mini review of that. But
so far, this is our second walk over, and the traffic or locals to stop has been very gracious.
Yeah, I want to do this in real time. I can hold that drink because I want you to see how long it takes you to get from the front of the hotel to the beach. So you'll know, help you decide whether this is where you want to stay.
I don't know the temperature. The wind is breezy. I would say 80, 89 maybe.
It's not bad. And this is early June.
June 10th, 2024.
We're walking right through the surf hut parking lot, basically. Little restaurant. That's a bonus, is there's a beach restaurant across the street.
Yeah, we're pretty excited to go and check out their crab legs tonight. The daughter and the boy want
crab legs, of course. I just want some good fish, maybe some grouper.
Yeah, I want some shrimp, but I don't see that they have royal reds. That's more of an Orange Beach thing. So.
Yeah, we like those Alabama beaches, but we're having a good time in these Florida beaches. I'll be honest with you.
It is surreal.
All right, you go ahead.
All right.
This is the private beach access. You only have a little bit of space down here that's technically Embassy Suites. But, I mean, you know, once you're at the water level, it's all public beach. So you don't need to worry about it.
I don't know if these are the rental golf carts, but they said you can rent a golf cart for $100 a day.
You can rent a golf cart for $100 a day. I don't know if you can hear.
I don't know where you're going to go, but...
Yeah, well, a lot of people get around by golf cart around here. At Sandestin.
There's no hope. 18 to life.
You have to have the code to get in this gate.
Yeah, they give you the code at
check-in.
At check-in. So awesome! Thank you.
Thanks. All right, and
we'll keep the code private for embassies.
We won't put it on YouTube. I'm sure they change it every so often.
Yeah.
All right, here we are. This is Miramar Beach, and it is beautiful. It's lovely, man. Hello. There's a little bit of steps. Come on up, ma'am. I'll wait on you. You got this. Come on up. I'll wait on you. I'm gonna shoot a little video of the beach. Good. Have a good rest of your day. All right. So you do have to go down and up some steps.
Restaurant
of the surf hut.
Yeah.
Yep.
So hopefully we'll have some.
We'll probably have a separate video of the restaurant. I don't think we'll include it on this video. We're gonna have multiple videos from this trip.
So you might want to check out our channel. Please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button lower right of the screen and like this video if you like it at all. And we are here. This is the beach.
And
We have.
if you're wanting to rent chairs, it's right here. Two chairs and an umbrella is $45 for the day. It's from 8 to 5. So I recommend getting here early, checking in. Go ahead and come over here and let them set you up, and you can enjoy it for the day, even if your room is not ready.
Yeah,
Okay?
let these guys set up your stuff. Don't be trying to set up your own. I'm old. I'm 59 years old. I don't need to be setting up my own crap. There's the lifeguards, beach patrol. Luckily, we haven't seen any of those S words today. There has been a big problem with them lately. I don't know if y'all have been watching the news. There's some shark attacks, but we have not had any sightings, and that's the way we want to keep it. We got 4 chairs.
Umbrellas.
And 2 umbrellas, and we couldn't be happier with that. We're gonna go chill out on the beach. Thank y'all for subscribing to Southern Cruisers. We out. You wanna tell them bye, Ange? All right, here we are on Miramar Beach. We are staying at the Embassy Suites Sandestin, and this is our beach access area. There's Caden. Say hi, Caden. Kaylee and Angela. Hi. These are where the Embassy Suites area is actually over here. The dark blue umbrellas. You can see people going up the steps there. That's where we come on and off. That's how we get to our beach access. We rented chairs. Really happy with that. It's been a gorgeous day. Chairs are, I think, about $45 for 2 with an umbrella. It makes it really nice when you're out here on the beach and you got a place. Oh, let me get out of your way. And having a great time. More to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Southern Cruisers. Have a good day. Okay, Southern Cruisers here. We're going to do a quick review, quick tour of our room at the Embassy Suites. This is at Sandestin. This is the view of the hotel, the interior hotel. This is our room. I think this is a normal suite room. And it's pretty standard, wouldn't you say, Angela,
Yeah,
as far as Embassy Suites go?
Yep, if you're familiar with Embassy, it's just your regular, typical room.
That's a fold-out bed,
Fold-out couch, good for boy to stay in.
which we need.
TV and own room.
You have
Refrigerator. It's a
refrigerator.
cooling center, is what I call it.
Yeah.
It doesn't keep things
Complimentary vodka in every room.
real. Oh yes.
Oh yeah. Should we check out the bathroom next?
Yeah.
Standard bathroom. Got a potty.
It's pretty standard now in Hilton's. They have the shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and what do you call it? The
I
body
don't
wash.
know if I like it, but they say it's good for the environment, so we'll go with it. It's okay. I don't really have an
makes it
issue with
easier,
it.
I guess.
It's not bad.
Anyway.
All right. This is the bedroom. 2 queens.
I like this. I don't know that this is in every room. We have
So this is like a little separate area where you can, wash your hands. If somebody's in the bathroom, you can still wash your hands. So you got a bar and you got a separate bathroom sink, basically. I haven't even looked at our view.
Yeah, it's a black tar. So.
We got palm trees and a magnolia tree, so we'll take that as a win. We're across the street from the beach, so we don't have a beach view. But
take note of the floors. The floors are your laminate tile, so there's no carpet, and that's one thing I like, especially with being at the beach.
And we've got laminate here and tile here. Anything extra in here? We got a microwave. We have a refrigerator.
Coffee.
Yeah, it's pretty standard.
Yeah.
And we're gonna
Their chair is vinyl or leather.
Because people are often wet when they sit down.
So
They do have a magician. That's weird.
Yes.
They have a magician that's going to be doing a show.
Tonight.
We're going to get ready and we're going to go to the embassy reception here in a minute. And then we're going to go to a seafood restaurant across the street. All right, that's the room. Southern Cruisers out. All right, so this is where we go to get snacks.
Yep.
And our guys got, what you got?
Some dip and chips.
All right, and a Coke. All right.
This is McKenna.
That's where the bar area is. You get 2 drinks. This is where the complimentary evening snacks are. And I'm gonna get some. We are at the included Embassy Suites breakfast. This is the buffet area. These are the cereals. We usually get in line and get omelets. This is what we're going to do today. Is this a line for the omelets? These are the drinks over here. Breakfast goes until 9:30 on weekdays. All right. Okay, this is one of the things I really like about the embassy. I got a made-to-order omelet. Mike got one with all the meats. Angela got a veggie omelet. I think Kaylee got eggs over easy and avocado toast made to order. Really good breakfast. And then you got all these items that you can choose from. Oh, sausage and biscuits. Can I get a view of your plate? Nice, very nice. So that's it. That's going to be it for our video here at the embassy. It's a really cool place. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Southern Cruisers are out today. Y'all have a great day.